It's time to sell everything and put all of your money into the stock market. Sell the house, sell the car, sell great grandma's precious family heirlooms, because stocks are going up, which means you are guaranteed to make millions of dollars in the next couple months, for sure. So this video is about, should you do stock investing and real estate, one or the other? What should you do? Giving you my perspective from somebody who is in real estate. Now, the answer to this, in my opinion, is pretty simple. Just go to Google and search percentage of people who lose money in the stock market. And here's what it says. It says 80% of people will fail in the stock market. They will lose money. 10% of people will break even, and 10% of people will make money. So let me ask you this question. Let's say you and I are gonna hop on a plane, fly over the pond and go to England. If that plane has a 80% chance of crashing in flames into the ocean, are you going to get on that plane? Probably not, right? However, the allure of these get-rich-quick things, like you hearing about people just skyrocketing with the bitcoins and all of these cryptocurrencies and things like that. It's like, oh, we're missing out, man. I don't understand this damn thing, but I am going to go into it all in. And of course, only on the news we hear about the people who hit it out of the park, and that is called media bias, where the media only highlights just small little things, giving us a inaccurate representation of how things actually are. So here's my take on it, right? If 90 or if 80% of people are gonna lose money, 10% break even, only 10% are making money, it's like, why? Somebody said to me the other day, Dustin, what are you doing with stocks and Bitcoin? And I'm like, I'm not really doing anything. Because I don't understand it. Think of how much time it's going to take you to actually understand it. You're going to need years and hundreds and thousands, or a couple thousand hours to actually really understand it. If you haven't done that yet, you're literally just flipping a coin and getting those emotions spiked, which we easily get hooked on. Now, there's a lot of fun to that. However, when the people that I know that actually are good at stock trading, they have like 5 computer screens. They're up at the crack of the stock market at, whatever time that is, 5 or 6 a.m. here on the West Coast. And they're just glued to it, pinging their dopamine and just almost sometimes feeling just this yuck feeling because of all of that emotional uncertainty during the trading. Now, obviously there's the big stocks that perform long-term, but that's a long-term investment. I've been speaking with people who are like, yeah, I got money in was it GameStop or Bitcoin and this and that. And the fear of missing out is driving them into it. So what I love about real estate is it's black and white. In real estate, you can have a 100% chance at succeeding because it's black and white. Like, if you bring me a property, within just a couple minutes, I'm gonna be able to go and start doing my due diligence and see if this property is undervalue, overvalue, and I'm gonna know where it lies. So if you're not able to do that, you can definitely learn how to do it. It takes a little bit of time, 1 to 2 hours a day, and in the next couple months, you'll be up and running and being able to do this stuff. Some people that we work with put in 2 to 4 hours a day and they'll get their first property in a couple weeks. Now, real estate is definitely not going to be that emotional win, right? Think about how good it feels if you go and put $500 on the roulette wheel in Vegas and then you win. It's great, right? However, a lot of people go broke, and there's a lot of people losing their ass right now in all of this stock stuff. So yeah, eventually, actually I was talking to my girlfriend the other day, I might throw like $500 into some of these coins just for fun. And they say never invest anything you can't afford to lose. So like, I don't care. It'll be fun, and I'm gonna let her handle all of it because I don't your attention is so important. And the opportunity cost of going down this get rich quick is going to cost you, who knows, hundreds of thousands of dollars in the future, because of the opportunity cost of building the roots in real estate that are going to help you long term. So that's my take on it. Like, you know, a lot of people give up on real estate because they get so distracted with all of these get rich quick things. And sure, there's plenty of people. You're only hearing about the people making tons of money. You don't hear about the people who remortgage their house, or they bet the family fortune and then it's gone and it ruins their life. With real estate, or specifically even wholesaling, you can make 10 to 30 grand per deal and you literally have virtually no risk. The worst case scenario on a wholesale deal is you can't do the deal, you got to cancel the contract, which isn't ideal, but you don't have really money on the line. You have a refundable earnest money deposit and on to the next. So that's why real estate investing is such a good way to go. Real estate wholesaling is one of the most profitable business ventures out there. So if you like this video, if you like our channels, we use the tips on this channel to do 5 to 10 deals a month and buy property for 40 to 90% below market value. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you like it. I also have a free training called How to Buy Property for 40 to 90% below market value. And click the link below. You can go get instant access to that, and it'll help you get started at finding properties within the next 20 minutes. It's an excellent training. We use this stuff every day. So click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.